Okay, this is called Possibilities. Told me once that all our memories get sweeter by the day. She told me not to mix them up with what I wanted him to say. I told you once that all the bitterness and pain would slowly fade. Told you then to keep the faith, to stand alone, try to be brave. You fell down hard. You held on, you came back scarred. I'll never turn my back on you, my friend. We'll know if it's ever gonna be. We'll know, love, for it's true love, the possibilities. If it grew love, we could try it, we could fight it, we could win, but we could fall. We would crash and we would cry, we would question it all. So we will fight and we will learn together, strong and standing tall. Hold our breath and say it's never gonna happen at all. I fell down hard. I held on, I came back scarred. You never turn your back on me, my friend. We'll know if it's never gonna be. We'll know, love, for it's true love, the possibilities. If it grew love, oh, we'll know if it's never gonna be. We'll know, love, for it's true love, the possibilities. If it grew love, see the world and get it right and get it wrong, and find your luck, and this might be where you belong. But for now, cherish this and celebrate all we are and all we're not and all our fates. When we fall down hard, we can come home and show our scars. Let's never